We got a nice bass on here. It's down in the weeds. Oh, trying to get him up. Get him in the net. Oh gosh, just buried down there. Feels like a really nice one too. Whoa. Here we go, come on. It's under the dock. There's the worm. Here he comes. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on out of there. It's gonna be so hard to get him in the net. This dock is not, it's not helpful. All right, come on, here he comes. Oh, come on, Matt. Yep, there we go. Oh. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. First fish of the morning on the Texas rigged worm. Oh boy, repeat of yesterday, huh? Trying to get the hook out. Guess he wasn't going anywhere. Oh, yes. Now that is what we're here for. Look at the size of this guy. Gonna get a quick weight and measure. There we go. We're gonna be so careful here not to hurt him. There's the scale. Zero out. I'm gonna have to weigh the clamp after and remove that weight. We've got 3 pounds 11 ounces. That's a hell of a fish. Quick little picture. Hell yeah. All right. I don't know the length. Just gonna worry about the weight. As graceful as we can off the dock. There he goes. So, real quick, doing the weightless Texas rigged worm. I'm trying the Strike King Ocho in green pumpkin. I had them on sale. I thought, why not? Let's give it a try. And that's the whole rig right there. It's about as simple as it gets. The rod I'm using is probably a little too light, but my medium heavy is out of commission right now. But it's the St. Croix Mojo Bass. Got the Johnny Morris Carbon Light 2.0 reel on there. I think it's the 2500. Straight pound, 10 pound braid, Power Pro. Straight to the worm, no leader today. Working out pretty damn well. St. Croix is amazing. Let's see if we can get another one.